Well, temperatures, of course, last week were very hot. We had a number of excessive heat warnings in place, but things have subsided a little bit. Still pretty warm out there, no question. But because of the very hot start to July, temperatures are running nearly 2 degrees above average. Precipitation is down about 1/4 of an inch as well. And we do have a general thunderstorm threat here tonight. So some additional showers and thunderstorms pushing through. Again, most of that activity should stay sub-severe, but it will be mild into the mid-70s as we head into the morning hours of Friday. So some rain overnight, a few rumbles possible, and stays unsettled into the next several days with locally heavy rainfall. And again, it remains hot and sticky, but not as hot as it was last week. So the dew points are still in the mid to upper 70s. That is considered to be tropical. When you factor the heat and humidity, this is what it'll feel like into the triple digits Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then it does cool off just a little here Monday, down into the mid-90s for feels like temps. But tomorrow morning we'll bottom out at 72. That's right where we should be. 5:54 is the sunrise. Sunset is at 8:05. And tomorrow's daytime high of 91 will be a couple of degrees below the average of 93. We get back to average on Saturday and then maybe just slightly below average on Sunday. But again, those showers and thunderstorms will be in place. And there are a few areas of abnormally dry conditions across parts of the Gulf Coast states, moderate drought in Louisiana, and this green color does indicate maybe a chance of above average precipitation, especially north of town. But looking ahead to next week, how about this? These deeper reds indicating 1 to 3 inch rainfall amounts through next week. Could even see some isolated 4-inch tallies, but just through 7 p.m. Saturday on the order of 1/4 to 1/2 inch with a few heavier pockets here and there, depending on where those stronger thunderstorms develop. So a little unsettled tonight, as I mentioned. We will see that activity fall apart during the morning hours tomorrow, and then you add that daytime heat and some thunderstorm activity bubbling up tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow we wake up into the lower 70s and then seeing those northerly winds around 5 to 10 miles per hour with, again, quieter weather mid-morning, still a bit on the cloudy side, and then the thunderstorm activity will be bubbling up into the afternoon with those daytime highs, again, just slightly below average. However, you factor the heat and humidity together and we feel more like the 90s and triple digits throughout much of the daylight hours. So another hot, sticky day tomorrow. So thundery into the afternoon on Friday. First full week of July, of course, wrapping up now. Saturday, looking at, again, temperatures into the low to mid-90s, but the extended temperature outlook from the 12th to the 16th shows that we'll be above average. And noticing that the thunder threat sticks around through most of next week once again.